some of these illicit and illegal activists who use the same money to push for demonstrations and reincarnations that they want to use next year. So the young people should go back to whatever they have to do, but that is the only way we'll save this country. So I want to ask government, because we are aware, some of us are aware that their money is big, their money that comes from foreign entities through non-governmental organizations, NGOs. And I want to appeal to the regulatory board of NGO. There are a number of NGO and activists who are known to be funded by foreign entities to create destabilization in the country. Some of those NGO activists should be registered, because it is only in Kenya. You saw even the way deportation of illegal immigrants is happening in US under Donald Trump, and you are saying these are 200 democracy country. You cannot go there and do what you are doing. They tried to do that in Los Angeles. You saw what the ICE, the one of deportation, the one ICE and the other security agencies, including the Republican Guard in the US, were deployed to quell the riots. And you cannot imagine, some of them are even wearing masks. And we saw a judge in Kenya ruling that police should not wear masks, should not. How do you expect the police to walk around without having the gear to protect themselves? Yet you see even in the US, the ICE are even breaking into people's cars. They are deporting people forcibly. Yet you want to tell us that the US as a country respects the human rights. So we have to do what we have to do as a country to protect, and I hope the police next week will protect lives, property, and ensure Kenyans go there.